Hi children, how are you? All are safe? Yes. Now, first of all, all are cleaning your hands before and after lunch. Before going to play, after coming to play also, you have to wash your hands. Okay children? Yes. Be safe. Okay? Yes. Daily you are in the home, no? So daily your mother will prepare something different, delicious food, no? Is it correct? Yes. Sweets and snacks and healthy food. Yes. Yes. Drinks. Yes. Variety. Your mother is preparing, no? Yes. Even cakes also. Your mother is preparing cakes also. Do you like cakes? Yes. Okay. Even I also want cake. Yes. Vanilla cake, strawberry cake, chocolate cake, different types, no? Where you will get these all cakes? The bakery, no? Yes. See here. Very big cake. Yes. Your mother is preparing like this? Yes. Cakes. Like this. About the cake, one story. Shall I say story? Yes, that is the third lesson. First lesson is a story. Second lesson is also a story. Third lesson also a story for you. That is Little Mouse Bakes a Cake. See here, little mouse. Mouse means rat. So it is baking a cake. Okay? Yes. Here, see here, three friends, they are staying in the cozy house. Cozy house means very small house, very uncomfortable house, very small house. Three friends they are living. One is mouse and one is crane and the one is raven. Raven means crow. Raven means crow. Yes. Three friends, these three together, they are living together. Okay children, in the cozy house, they are working hard. And even mouse also do hard work. It is doing too hard work. And crane also doing hard work. And raven also doing hard work. Okay? Yes, mouse too hard work it is doing. Yes, one day mouse said, One day, mouse said, I want the cake. It wake up from the sleep. See here, cake. Yes, one morning, little mouse wake up early in the morning. Yes, I want cake. I want to eat cake. Shall we prepare? Yes. Now, crane said, even I too, I want cake, I want to eat cake. Even Ravan said, even I also want cake. So, these three members, they want to prepare a cake. But mouse said, okay, fine, we want to eat cake. Okay, flour we need, no? What is the flour? What is the flour? Flour means a powder. Your mother will prepare a puri, chapati, like that. No, flour. Okay, seeds, flour. Not we are standing on the floor. That is not a floor. That is a spelling. Spelling, different spelling. I'll say other next time. So okay, this is the flour. Okay, and we want butter. Yes, we want butter, eggs. So these are all we need. And sugar also. We have to mix it. We have to mix it in the bowl. Then we have to put in the oven. Then it will ready the cake. These all full. So much work is there. Then who will get the flour from the town? Who will go? We have to go to the town. We have to go to the store and we have to buy the flour. Who will go to the town? Yes, Crane Raven said, no, 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 I am busy. And Crane said, even I too, even I am also busy. I don't want to go. They said like that. What to do? Mouse, oh my God, you two are busy. What can I do? Yes, I have to go. Okay, so Mouse went to the town to buy flour. So next it brought flour. So Mouse brought flour. Next, yes, here is the flour is ready. Here is the flour is ready. Then who will mix it? Who will mix it? Now, who will make the mixture? Mixture means we have to, I said no, we have to mix eggs, sugar, butter, everything we have to mix it. No, in the bowl we have to mix it. Who will mix it? We have to mix it full. Flour, eggs and butter and sugar we have to mix it. And this bowl we have to keep in the oven. So, who will mix it? Crane said, no, I am busy. I don't know how to mix. And I also, Crane said, even I'm too busy. I'm also busy. So what Mouse said, yes, I have to do. So what can I do? I have to mix up now. So Mouse mixed all butter, sugar, eggs, it mixed. And it have to keep in the oven now. Who will keep that? Who will put the bowl or in the oven? It asked. No, still I am busy, Mouse said. Oh my God. Crane also said, even I am also too busy. What can I do? I don't know. No, I don't. No, I am still busy, Raven said, and Crane also said. So what? So here Mouse, oh my God, I have to do baking also. I have to do. So baking, it kept in the oven. So after just half an hour, cake is ready. Cake is ready. Came out. Yes. Now Mouse said, okay, my cake is ready. Who want to eat? Crane said, even I want to eat. And Raven said, even I too, I want to eat cake. Happily. They said, oh no, I don't give cake because I went to the town, I went store and I buy the flour. And next you are watching. And next I mixed all butter, sugar, eggs and flour. I mixed. You are watching. Still you are watching. You said I am busy. So I did that work. You didn't do anything. I kept in the oven. Still you are watching. What you said? I am busy. I don't know. I am busy. I don't know. You said like that, no? Yes. Even I kept in the oven. So now cake is ready means what you are saying? I want to eat. No, I don't want to give to you. Full cake I will eat. So then mix it. Watch while baking the food. Cake also you are watching. So she sat down and eat the cake full. Who ate? Mouse. That is the correct, no? Yes, will you do? You will do like that in the home also? You won't help to your father and mother? Yes, you are good children. You will help. Okay, but here Crane and Raven, they didn't help anything. Yes, don't do like that. You have to help your family members and your small brother and sister also. You have to help. Okay, children? Yes, this is the story. So, what is the story name? What is the story name, children? Little Mouse Bakes a Cake. In this lesson, some new words are there. Shall I write? Yes. First one, Raven. Raven means what I said? Which bird? Crane or crow? Yes, crow. Raven. R-A-V-N. Raven. R-A-V-N. Raven. Together. 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 Next. Thinking. 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 Yes. Floor. I said no. Flour. Floor. Flour. Floor. Next. Mixer. Mixture. 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 Next. Smooth. 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 Raven. Together. Together. Thinking. Flour. Floor. Mixture. Smooth. Yes. Poured. 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 Cake is ready. I said no. Ready. 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 Watch. 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 Next. Baked. 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 Once again, children. Repeat after me. Then you will get easily. Raven. Raven. Together. Thinking. Floor. Mixture. Smooth. Poured. Ready. Watch. Bake. Yes. Very easy, no children? Yes. Now, see here, after the lesson, some exercises are there. Shall we complete? Yes. Small questions. Did you understood the lesson, no children? Did you understood the story, no? Yes. Now see here, who likes cakes? Little mouse, raven, crane. First one. Who are thinking that after wake up, I want to eat cake? Who are thinking like that? Yes, little mouse. Put the tick for that. Yes. Who went to the town to buy the flour? Then who went? Crane? Raven? Yes, mouse. Put the tick for that. Who baked the cake? Obviously, little mouse. Okay? Yes. Who watched to eat the cake? Who watched the cake? Who wanted to eat the cake? Who wanted to eat the cake? Little mouse wanted to eat because it is worked hard. Yes. Who ate the cake? Finally, who ate the cake? Little mouse. See children, who will work hard, they will get result. They will get good result. This is the first exercise. Yes, second exercise also they given pictures. See here, these are all pictures. We have to match. Okay children? Yes. Take the cake out of the oven. Take the cake out of the oven. So already they given here from oven it is coming out. Yes, bake the cake. So mouse is keeping the bowl, mixture bowl it is putting the oven. Yes, but see, buy the ingredients. Ingredients means all the things, vegetables, fruits, all the things, flour or rice or something. Okay, you will buy the store, no? So these are all ingredients. Buy the ingredients. In the bag some ingredients are there. Yes, eat the cake. This boy is eating. What is doing? He's eating cake. Stir the mixture. Stir means we have to mix the mixture. We have to mix the mixture. I said no, for the cake what are the things you need? Flour, next eggs, next sugar, yes, butter, yes, that is important. So mouse bake mixed all these all things and it kept in the oven. So put the cake in the tin in the oven. So it kept in the oven. So these all matching. Did you understand, children? Yes. Next one. Very simple, no? Yes. Yes. See here, in the next bit, I will explain in the worksheet. Whenever you will practice these all words, you will write the missing letters, whatever I gave. Here first bit, missing letters. Okay, children? Yes. Next one, second bit, answer the questions yes or no. Yes or no, you have to put the tick, which is the correct one. Little mouse idea to bake the cake. Yes or no? Whose idea? Who are thinking after the wake up? Yes. Little mouse idea to bake the cake. Yes or no? Second one. Mouse went to the store. Mouse went to the store. Who went to the store? Come on, remind the story. Did you understood? No. Yes. Mouse went to the store. Yes or no? Put the tick, which is the correct one. Yes. Mouse put some cheese. It put some cheese. Cheese or butter? I don't know. Come on. Tell me. Mouse put some cheese. Yes or no? You have to write. Mouse ate full cake. Here I gave yes or no. Which is the correct answer? You have to put the tick above that. Yes. Now third bit. Matching. Match the following I am giving. Okay, children? Here I am busy. Who said these all words? I am busy. Put in the oven. Flour, bake, okay, mixture, cake, raven, store. I am busy. Put in the oven. Flour, bake, mixture, cake, raven, store. Easy, no, children? Did you understand the story, no? Then you can match it. Correct answer. Choose the correct answer and match it. Yes, finally what I am giving here. Do banana milkshake or mango milkshake. Anything. You can do banana milkshake or lassi or buttermilk and mango shake, mango milkshake. Anything you can do it and serve with your family members. And enjoy with your family members. Okay, children? In the next session we will meet in this lesson grammar part. So little mouse bakes a cake. Okay, children? Yes? Yes. Be safe. Bye, children.